Alright y'all, a couple days later, we're on the way to Pat Built Performance to pick up the whip. And we actually decided to do something a little bit differently. So instead of just doing the 325 pulley on the Whipple tune, we're gonna test it out and we're gonna do the 325 pulley on the Whipple tune, and also we're gonna have it tuned by Rob Shoemaker to see what the difference is between the two. Marcus thinks, well, you think it's gonna make 880 on the Whipple tune, and then what do you think it's gonna make with the Rob tune?
Probably 890.
890?
I think it's probably around 880 to 890. Cat deletes, no headers. I think 880, 890.
If this thing don't touch nines, I'm selling it.
Like I said earlier, when you drop the car off, I think it's gonna make 880. It might make 9, but I think it's gonna make, like, realistically, probably gonna make like 880 wheel. That's what I think.
Tell you what, if this dud don't make 900 on the dyno, it will be on Marketplace tonight.
Just go draggy, see what it runs. You also have the 30-inch tall tire. What is it? Yeah, it's 30.
Yeah, 30.
So, I mean, if it makes 880, you put like a stock tire, and they'll probably make closer to 9. So I wouldn't even worry about it, to be honest with you. That tire is 100% gonna soak up.
It is gonna soak up some power, yeah. Some dude in my comments was like, get rid of that 30-inch tall, but I don't know, bro. I'll have hooking issues. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I mean, just for the dyno, but just to put it.
oh, for dyno purposes only.
Yeah.
We're gonna see what it does on the dyno, but also I don't know about tonight. Might be a little cold. Maybe tonight we'll do a draggy hit as well, and we'll see what the 60 to 130s run on this car. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we pull up to Pat Built. All right, we are about to do a baseline hit. This is just on the 325 pulley on the Whipple tune. This is not the Rob tune. Make
868 on the Whipple tune.
868 on the Whipple. Holy shit.
700 torque.
Woo!
God damn. Show you around.
Make
875.
Same torque, which is good.
875.
That's real good.
That's really good.
it might touch nines.
But on the tune?
It might.
Maybe on the tune. 875. Not bad. I said it would make like 880.
325. Dude, I hope.
Yeah, one pass. 875.
875 so far.
875.
I'll take 875. That's a pretty That's a pretty decent jump from, what was I making before, 760?
Yeah.
So yeah, pretty much like just over 100, yeah, 100 horsepower.
Not bad.
All right, here we go. This is the Rob tune. It's gonna be the Rob tune.
Same.
Yeah.
Made the same.
Yeah.
Shit.
Alright, Rob just sent over a revision. It's 46 degrees in here, so this thing's about to shoot to the moon. We're still hoping for 900.
Oh shit.
910.
Alright, let's go. I'm strapping. We're good. Let's go.
Nice.
910.
Holy shit.
Holy fuck.
Rob cleaned it up. Straight 910.
Yeah.
W Rob.
W Rob.
That's good.
That is good. Alright, finally back in the S650 after a few days. I can't tell you guys how fucking happy I am that we made 910 on the dyno with the Rob tune. Dude, I couldn't be more happy. They were thinking it was gonna make like 880, 890. But I had a feeling we were gonna squeeze 900 out of it. And we did, so I'm more than happy. I don't know if we're gonna be doing any test hits tonight or draggies. It is like 40 degrees outside, so I don't know if we'll get to that tonight. I do know I gotta air out the back tires. They're on like 40 psi because they're on the dyno. I gotta air those out to like 18 or something. Yeah, definitely. Probably the next video we're gonna do a dyno, or we're gonna do a draggy hit and get the 60 to 130 times. And shit, as soon as people go out, we're gonna try and get some runs on the new setup as well. It just sucks because like it's been kind of cold. Like we just had a freeze. It was pretty freaking cold Sunday, Monday, even today. Like it's been in like the 40s, which is, I mean, it's not bad for me because I'm from Pennsylvania, but I don't know, the air's different down here. 40 degrees still feels like hella cold. But check that out too. Look at the transmission oil temp, dude. That thing is 127 right now. That shit's, I mean, it's obviously cold out, but like if this was 2 weeks ago or a week ago, we would have been sitting at like 190 right now. Right now, realistically, probably like 175, 180, somewhere in there. The crazy thing is too, if I'm gonna try and insert a video when they were doing the trans cooler and they checked the transmission oil from factory, because I bought the car brand new from factory. The transmission was severely overfilled, and they think that might be the reason why it was getting so hot, because the trans was actually like it was way overfilled. I'm just gonna start the clip here. It's fucking.
So when it's cold,
It's supposed to be like in the middle.
yeah, when it's cold, it's supposed to be more towards the bottom. I believe it's supposed to be between 5 and 6 on cold fill, because transmission fluid expands. So as it gets hot, it'll rise. So it is not supposed to be all the way up here. So I think they overfilled the shit out of your transmission, and maybe that's why you were having issues with.
So yeah, it was super overfilled. So that might have been the issue. It probably was, dude. There was a lot of fluid in there. But now we got the transmission cooler kit. We're sitting at a smooth 127. Now, low-key, the next thing we're gonna need is probably just a normal oil cooler. But before that, we are gonna have to get springs, spacers, and fuck, I can't remember the kit name. And some kit for the suspension, and then that way I can get alignment, zero out the camber, and then we should be good to go. Everything should be good. And then from there on out, it's pretty much just Lagunas and then a carbon body panel. That's enough yapping for me. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys are excited to see more S650 content, if you guys want to see the draggies, make sure you drop a like, drop a sub, all that good shit. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.